Okay, second video on. This is my last lecture day of the uni. Hello. And I just made him follow me. Thanks for the generous contribution to my channel.
You're welcome.
Perfect. And this is, we are in Cafete. Okay, some people may not want me to record. We are in Cafete. We have some kicker, which I love. And I don't know whose computer is it. And today, I'm not feeling that much well, which means I'm about to puke now. So I bought this, no advertisement, but I wanna drink this because this always helps. Miriam is judging me with her eyes. Look, you're gonna be in my videos. You're gonna be famous. Yes, perfect. See you in the class. I will not record it, but I will try to record me during the class. Cheers. Welcome to my YouTube. Ding ding. The gem that you're always looking forward to. Can you make videos?
No.
No? Now you're shy? Yes. Perfect.
Sorry.
Tschüssi.
I'm just doing it just for
See you in the class soon. It's in 15 minutes.
I also like genuinely I don't really
Hello. Hello. Tschüssi. Uni vlog. Actually, this is my last day in the class of my MA except exam.
Okay. But you can also get a class next semester.
Yeah, but as a voluntarily, but not like. This is JFK, John F. Kennedy Institute, and that's the library. We will go up. Do you want to introduce? We're going up. I swear, one day I will take one of these plants, one leaf, and propagate it. My last class together. Goodbye. What are you gossiping?
Oh Jesus Christ. I was like, what the hell is
It looks like
I thought it was
it's so long, right?
So I was like, I'm not gonna turn around.
Exam is gonna be so long and so hard. This is Mensa. This is quite expensive, and this is of course German potato we got. And this is Miriam. We're gonna eat together. Look, this is soup. Banger, banger, banger. Everything is banger, but also it bangs your pocket. Yeah. And this is Ifu Mensa. It's taking Be Real. Look, the screen should be clean now. Mariam, we are fighting because we don't know what kind of exam we are expecting, and that was the fight. Why are you laughing? Actually, the camera is.
Guys, we should go out and play in the sun. It's so nice.
Yes.
Out.
Yes.
It's just -3 instead of -7.
Sorry.
It feels like -14, right?
Look, yesterday I was walking and I found, because Marcel keep eating the Schwein one of these, and I found this. And then, and then I went with this, eating like only one, and then I had almost puke. And then
But there's black tap.
Can I see it? Can you
Also,
show?
a similar brand, and this is from Mannheim.
Can you show? Let's see. No photo. And then I went to the Rosalie's place, and as soon as I hug her to say hi, like, you stink, because I eaten this. I brushed twice my teeth. It still stinks because I keep telling, like, if something is nasty, I keep telling you stink. Oy. This is Jem.
It's not that okay.
Like, you also
I mean,
like.
it's not that great.
I like
to be
how
honest.
Jem
There's
is
nothing-
like being natural in his habitat in my videos. Yes. Guys, what do you think about me publicly available? No, this was
Publicly available.
no, it was wrong.
For public use. Oh my
Yeah, no. My videos are publicly available, not me. Wow.
All that ice.
What did you made? I just realized I'm recording his butt. We are back to Cafete. Mariam is not happy. Look at this face.
She is emotional now.
What?
Don't you see her eyes? It's getting filled up a little bit.
I saw her crying. I don't want my. And I've just realized that she's the gold person. Cheyenne behind the camera. If you are hearing the gold.
I'm a gold person.
Like this is empty, this is empty, this is empty. Like another finger's empty. Just saying. As a friend.
As a friend, he said, and look at this guy. Look at this guy, for example. Oh, bak. Tatlı. Beğendim bunu. Beğendim bunu. Anything.
Hey guys, like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1
Million.
subscribers at least, so Abu can pay the bills.
Send 1 billion to Israel. Should I go over? Should I go over there?
No, some background.
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
Susie!
Hello. This YouTube channel. Hi guys, I spilled my coffee. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, what a drama.
This movie that they
I will.
The Humboldt uni bag? We do not approve. Humboldt uni
Fuck
bag.
this transparent bag.
Oh, by the way,
This Humboldt bag.
our bag is very shitty though. Like the design is.
What is it?
Sesini kısabilir miyiz biraz?
Hello, everyone is trying to analyze it. Oh, okay.
By the way.
This is for me. Böyle çek, böyle.
After this, of course, Jem is distributing that minted. I don't know what is it. It's not a chewing gum, but minted. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna beat them.